Welcome back to The Right Slant, where we tackle important issues with a conservative perspective. Today, we're diving into New Jersey's notoriously strict gun laws, a crucial topic for anyone new to the Garden State. Moving from a state with more lenient regulations can be a shock, as New Jersey's approach to firearm ownership is among the most restrictive in the nation. One of the first things you need to understand is the duty to inform law codified under NJSA 2C 58-4.4. If you possess a permit to carry and are stopped by law enforcement, you are legally obligated to immediately inform the officer that you are carrying a handgun. This applies whether the firearm is open or concealed, or even if it's unloaded and stored in your vehicle. You must also present your permit to carry. Failure to disclose this information can lead to serious criminal charges, so it's vital to be aware of this specific requirement. Next, let's talk about obtaining a conceal and carry permit in New Jersey, a process that many find incredibly challenging. New Jersey operates as a may-issue state, granting authorities significant discretion in permit approvals, unlike shall-issue states. Applicants must demonstrate a justifiable need to carry a handgun, which extends far beyond a general desire for self-defense. The requirements are extensive, including being at least 21 years old, proving good character, and demonstrating familiarity with safe handgun handling. You'll need to complete a firearms training course, pass a shooting test, provide references, and consent to a mental health record search. The application process involves local police, the New Jersey State Police, and even the Superior Court, making it a lengthy and complex journey. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from The Right Slant. Now, let's address firearm suppressors, an item completely banned for civilian ownership in New Jersey. State law, specifically NJSA 2C 39-3, classifies suppressors as prohibited weapons, leaving no legal avenue for civilians to own them. Even with a federal tax stamp, possession, transfer, or transport of a suppressor is considered a felony offense in New Jersey. This is a stark contrast to many other states and highlights New Jersey's firm stance on certain firearm accessories. Finally, let's discuss magazine capacity, another area where New Jersey imposes strict limits. The law restricts magazines for semi-automatic rifles and pistols to a maximum of 10 rounds and 6 rounds for semi-automatic shotguns. Magazines capable of holding more than 10 rounds are classified as large capacity magazines, and their possession is a crime. Crucially, there is no grandfathering clause for magazines legally owned before the law's enactment, meaning previously legal items are now prohibited. While certain .22 caliber rimfire rifles with fixed tubular magazines are exempt, this is a narrow exception to a broad rule. Beyond these 4 key areas, New Jersey also has an assault weapons ban covering specific named firearms and substantially identical models. To purchase any firearm, you'll need a Firearms Purchaser Identification Card, or FPC, which requires a background check and mental health record search. There's also a 1 gun a month rule for handguns, though exceptions can be granted for good cause. Transporting firearms within New Jersey comes with its own strict regulations. They must be unloaded and secured in a closed, fastened case. Violations of any of these laws carry significant penalties, including potential imprisonment and hefty fines. It's important to note that several gun rights groups are actively challenging New Jersey's gun laws, arguing they infringe upon Second Amendment rights. The political landscape surrounding gun control in New Jersey remains contentious, with ongoing debates and legislative efforts. Understanding these laws is crucial for any new resident. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and always know your rights. Thank you for joining us on The Right Slant. We hope this overview helps you navigate New Jersey's complex gun laws.